it's Anissa. Can you guess what this is? This is a tablet stand, but it's not an ordinary one. This is the 360-degree tablet stand. And this one is the most durable one I've ever used. You know why? It's made of steel. Now this is great because it not only folds, but it rotates 360 degrees. It's obviously very sturdy and it won't wobble. Now this isn't just for your iPad or tablet. You can use it for an e-reader, a portable monitor, even your phone. It goes from 4 inches to 16 inches. Now what I really like about it is the open design. It allows your devices to breathe so they won't overheat. And then you've got this cutout. Now this is great for phones because if you have a pop socket or a grip, it's going to fit in here easily. Now, if you're like me, I tend to watch a lot of TV on my iPad because, hey, I like sports. And when something's happening, I don't want it flat on the desk next to me. Having it on the stand keeps it always accessible. Besides being all steel, what I really love about this is all the pads that it has on the surface, which will hold your iPad in place. But it's also got the pads at the bottom, which not only keeps it in place, it also protects your surface. The way it's designed makes travel and storage a breeze. It folds down to practically nothing. You can throw it in a drawer, you can throw it in your backpack, suitcase, even a purse. But they've thought of everything. You know, when you use this over and over, putting it up and down, it can get loose. They even included a little wrench so you can tighten up those joints and it's gonna be just like new. Now you're probably thinking, oh my God, this is gonna cost $50. Nope. If you're thinking $25, that's way too much. Let me tell you, our price is super low. You're not even gonna believe it. Head on over to PulseTV and check out your secret price today.